According to chart 2, the years 2000 to 2010 were characterized by... So let's go to the chart while I read off our answer choices to see what the data supports. So A, less growth in metropolitan areas of all sizes than had taken place in the 1990s. So what we're looking at is 2000 to 2010, which are these white boxes. And it already gives us the growth rates. And then it says less growth rate in metropolitan areas of all sizes than had taken place in the 1990s. Well, that's true because the growth rates in the two sized metropolitan areas, large and small, are less than what happened in the 90s because that was a greater number, a greater growth rate. So A is correct. But let's continue on. So A, correct. B says more growth in small metropolitan areas than in large metropolitan areas. Well, small metropolitan areas had a growth rate of 10.3%. and large had 10.9%. So smaller did not have a higher growth rate than larger. So B is incorrect. C, a significant decline in the population of small metropolitan areas compared to the 1980s. So when we're looking at the 1980s, those are those dark circles here, these dark boxes. And it says a significant decline in the population of small metropolitan areas, so small, when compared to the 1980s. Well, the 1980s had a small growth rate, and the 2000s to 2010 had a larger growth rate. So it wasn't a decline in the population of small metropolitan areas compared to that. And finally, D, roughly equal growth in large metropolitan areas and non-metropolitan areas. Well, large 10.9, but non 4.5, and that's not roughly equal. So the correct answer choice here is answer choice A.